Faith. Never did I think that I would meet the person of my dreams on the other side of the world, 5,000 miles away from home. Thinking back to our first memories together, when we were on different continents and different time zones, and I stayed up until the early hours of the morning just to talk, just to see your beautiful face on my phone on FaceTime, and to hear that American accent. I knew, even at that point, that our love was patient and kind. Our love never gave up, never lost faith, was always hopeful, and endured every circumstance. As I stand here today, I vow to ensure that these definitions of love represent our marriage. I vow to love you, even as Christ loves his church. I vow to keep Jesus at the center of our marriage. I vow to always find the time to read the Word together. I vow to honor and protect you for the rest of my life. I vow to never put my career before you. I vow to always be there when you're needing comfort and that extra confidence boost. You are my equal partner in God's gift of new life, and I can't wait to share every moment of it with you.
Danny, before you ever moved to Colorado, and we had only known each other 2 weeks in person, I made you this promise. For the rest of your days, when you look into my eyes, you will see me loving you, marveling at you. Amazed and inspired by you. Endeared to you. Infatuated, smitten, and completely and totally, helplessly in love with you. You may ask how I knew I loved you. I even wondered how I could, because I hardly knew you. And the Lord said to me that this is the purest form of love. He's done nothing to earn it. It's completely unconditional. You don't love him because of anything he's done. You love him because I created you to love him. And Danny, today I vow to always love you unconditionally, the way God loves us. I vow to always see the best in you. I won't see any imperfections, but will always be there to help you overcome them. I will encourage you in the truth of who you are. You're perfect. Will always be so in my eyes. I will support you. I vow to even support your football teams, as difficult as that may be. And I vow to always respect you and to honor you. As a little girl, I dreamed of what my Prince Charming would be like, and I dreamed big. But you've exceeded all my dreams. I love you, Danny, forever and always.
I declare by the authority committed to me as a minister of the gospel that this couple is husband and wife, according to the ordinance of God and the laws of this state. Danny, you may now kiss your bride. Family and friends, I present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Danny Harvey.